Hi everyone, I hope you had a wonderful week. This week's Food Fact Friday, I'm going to be talking about omega-3 fatty acids. I'm sure you've heard about omega-3s coming from things like wild-caught salmon, and they can also be found in fish like herring or sardines or anchovies. And these types of omega-3s are called EPA and DHA omega-3s. They're two different types, and they are helpful in fighting inflammation inside of our body. And specifically in the case of DHA, it also can help with brain development. There is a third type of omega-3 called ALA, and that comes mostly from plant sources. So think walnuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds. In order for us to utilize that ALA though, it does need to be converted first into EPA and DHA inside of our bodies. And unfortunately, that process doesn't always work as nicely as we would like it to. And that's because the omega-3s, in order to convert, actually use enzymes that also are used by omega-6 fatty acids. And so the omega-3s are actually competing with the omega-6 for those enzymes needed for conversion. Now, there can also be what's called a genetic SNP, or a slight mutation in a gene that prevents you from being able to convert ALA into EPA and DHA. So it's important to get EPA and DHA sources, but it also is important to make sure that you know your balance of omega-3s and omega-6s, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian and getting mostly ALA omega-3 sources. And then once you test for your ratio of omega-3s to omega-6s, it can give you better insight into how you can balance that ratio a little bit better. And if you decide that you do want to supplement with an omega-3 supplement, you always want to make sure that it's a quality supplement. Meaning, if your fish oil smells fishy, or if there's a lot of flavors to cover up a fishy scent, or if you feel like you get fish burps after you take that supplement, it's likely already rancid or not a good fish oil. We want it to be fresh. And so choosing quality is really important, not only for the rancidity of the oil, but also to make sure that you're not getting contaminants like mercury in